और खबर तफसील से वज़ीर दिफा राजनाथ सिंह का पीओके से मुताल्लिक बयान पर जीओसी उपेंद्र कुमार द्विवेदी ने कहा कि फौज हुकूमत के ताबे है। फौज को हुकूमत जो हुक्म देगी फौज उस पर अमल करेगी। उन्होंने कहा कि जम्मू कश्मीर में अमन है और सिविल इंतजामिया अच्छा काम कर रही है।
रक्षा मंत्री gave the statement about the POJ. As you are aware that parliamentary resolution already exists on the subject, so therefore it's nothing new. It is part of the parliamentary resolution. As far as the Indian Army is concerned, Indian Army will carry out any order which is being given by the government of India, and whenever such orders are given, we'll always be ready for it. Now, as far as security scenario in Kashmir is concerned, if you see, after the abrogation of Article 370, it has undergone a major change, and all the trend lines which are there are coming down today. To the extent, if I can say that today the peace and development is something, there is a great space to meet the people's aspiration. There is a great space. So the civil administration is doing a great job in kind of occupying this space and making sure that the terrorism is put on a backseat. The civilians administration has been able to reach out to these people. The internet has been able to reach out to them. So if I can say that the border areas are truly integrated because of this ceasefire understanding. The second issue, the military is concerned, military is always ready to make sure that this ceasefire understanding is never broken because it's in interest of both nations. But if it is broken at any point of time, हम ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से देंगे।